Good morning. Look at you with your pretty babies. Hi. Take one day off and I have lots of babies. You had your baby outside. Did you have your baby outside? I can't remember if you were in here or not. You guys are just waiting to get sheared and get sent out. That's a pretty baby. Are you a girl or a boy? So both these two gave me boys. So I think everything so far except for two have been boys. Oh, Mama, are you not letting baby eat? How come? Or are you just mad because I'm here? What's the deal? Baby doesn't look like it's hungry. Okay, I don't like this situation here. Okay, you need to chill out and let baby nurse. I know, it's not that tough. Nope, 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 nope. Need to just stand, let baby nurse. Good morning, guys. It was a good day for lambs yesterday. Unfortunately, I was not around to see any of it. Thankfully, my daughter was around, so she took care of everything. My husband spent all day welding on things. So now I need to basically assess what I missed and kind of figure out what my day is going to be all about. I know sometime this week I have to work this group of sheep. These lambs are due for their booster for their 8-way and to get their tails docked, banded, nuts banded. I'm not keeping any of these boys as boys. And I think there's only 2 girls in here that I'm keeping for me. Maybe 3. I still haven't decided on this little black and white one down here. So yeah, but this group needs worked. They are over their 30 days by a bit. So I need to get them done and taken care of this week. That is high priority. So between that, oh, I gotta go check that other field. I haven't been out there yet to check that field to see if there's any more surprise babies. So far, everything that's lambed out there was supposed to be in this group. Why they didn't come up on my Gallagher, I don't know. They were on the list. It's not like they were missing. So I'm wondering if they were part of that group that had stayed out back under the trees and just didn't come in for like those couple days. So let's go check that field, see if anything else has lambed out there, and then I will figure out the rest of my day. So excited. My husband's putting hinges on my gate. He's got that side done. And this side, he said he just has the bottom to finish. So once he gets that one on, he's got the top one. my gate will be done and it won't keep falling off. We won't have to twine it. Hey girls. I'm gonna have to have my daughter shut the pump off because I cannot get this hand line to turn off. It's like stuck. So I need to pull the bell off the riser and figure out why it won't close. But I can't do that till the pump gets shut off. So in the meantime, while I wait for her to do that, I'm just watching the deer. But yeah, it should turn easy, and I cannot get it to move at all. I mean, one-handed should be able to turn it, and I can't even do it with two hands. So I got to pull this off, but I can't do that till the pump is off and there's no more water coming out of here. So I don't know what the issue is. I don't know if it's broken inside here. I won't know till this comes off and I can see what the issue is. Okay, there she finally got the pump turned off. So let's see what the devil the issue is, because I cannot get that thing to move. Oh, don't do this. So not broken, it just came unscrewed from in there. So once the water goes down enough to where I can see where this needs to go, I can screw it back in, screw it back on, and have her turn the pump back on. So basically it just came out of here. Okay. got our first eggs from the quail in the shop. I'm so excited. However, it doesn't look like there's any from the top group, just the bottom group. Good morning, guys. It is a fairly chilly, rainy day. I was kind of hoping it wouldn't rain because we just cut the hay on Sunday, but unfortunately it did. And it was a toss-up. If we didn't cut it, it wouldn't have rained and we'd have been mad that we didn't cut it. But if we did cut it, then of course it would have rained. So, and we really didn't want to wait a whole nother week. So it's done. We'll just have to rake it. It hasn't rained enough to really make a huge difference on anything. It's just basically got the dust down. It really, I don't even think we've got like a half inch, even an eighth. If we got an eighth of an inch, I'd be surprised. The other thing, besides those 2 lambs this morning, which also makes me very happy, I'm hoping we're getting about 2 a day or 2 every other day. So if these girls would just kind of get with the program and start popping them out, we should get this through this group fairly quickly. And then we have water to move today. That's really all that is on my agenda. I wanted to get the lawn mowed and get the water on it again. That won't happen, so I will just start the water and get that going. And hope for more lambs this afternoon. If it keeps raining on and off all day like it has been, we should get a few more. My daughter's been an absolute rock star. She has been shearing the sheep as they've been coming out of the jugs. I have not been feeling very well, so I have not been down here doing a whole lot. I've been doing the bare minimum, but she has managed to shear 4 of the ewes to come out of the jugs. She's gotten a couple sheep from out back taken care of, and we're slowly making our way through because my husband just doesn't have time to do it. Oh, here comes the rain again. And we want to get through this group. I'm going to start breeding again in July, so I'd really like to get the ones that I'm going to breed done, get them sheared so that they are taken care of and we don't have the heat issues like we did last year. Hopefully that will alleviate the single lamb problems that I had. But we're slowly moving along. Yesterday, not only did my daughter manage to wrangle Sybil in and keep her at least contained, not where she's supposed to be, but this'll do. She's at least no longer wandering, but she also got all of my lambs banded and vaccinated for me. So she's been like on it for the last little while. So gotta give her credit for that. She's getting farther on my sheep chores than I'm getting on my sheep chores. But she asked if there was anybody I was keeping in here as boys, and I told her no. You gonna be brave? You're not gonna be brave. So she got everybody taken care of.